Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to navigate in 3D Scene, the basics and just how everything works. So I'm in the 3D scene already, and I've already uploaded an image as a layer. So in the 3D scene, you have an option to change the view. At the moment, it is set to default. You can click custom and you can move it horizontally, so you can just see what your 3D scene looks like. And this is really good for advanced 3D edits where you can just place around all your images and objects. So you can use horizontal, vertical, and then you can also zoom to get different parts of your clip closer up. So I'm just going to reset it for now. You can also resize the 3D scene. I'm just going to leave it normally. Now what ambience is the lighting of the whole scene. So this is where if you want to put the lighting down, you can add a lighting layer, but I will explain that in my other tutorial, so go check that out. 3D scene is very similar to a normal scene, with layers being the same, so you can add text, image, shape, you can add another 3D scene in the 3D scene, a camera, which I will also be doing a tutorial on, so make sure you watch that. You can parent layers, so you can move multiple 3D objects at once, groups, and element library. Now, if you upload an image, you can click keyframe, and you can convert to a 3D object, which is all selected down here. So if I just click a cube, you can customly change the view, and you will see the cube. With this, you can click transform, and you can rotate it as to how you like. So just play around with it, and that's how you use 3D Scene. Thanks for watching.